This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both machines so the connection works. Install Microsoft Remote Desktop on your Mac and confirm the target PC has Remote Desktop enabled. Note its IP or hostname and a user account with permissions. Once done, make sure network access is possible on the same LAN or with port 3389 forwarded through the router. Also verify firewall rules allow RDP. These first actions let you proceed without stumbling on connectivity or permissions problems. Now configure the session precisely so it performs well. In the Remote Desktop app, create a new PC entry and enter the IP or hostname plus the user account. Then adjust display resolution, color depth, and sound preferences to balance quality and speed. Set keyboard mapping and folder/clipboard redirection if you need file transfer. If the host is behind a gateway, add the gateway settings. Finally, save and initiate the connection. Monitor latency and switch compression settings to improve responsiveness. Finish by securing and validating the session. Enable network-level authentication and review certificate prompts so you know when to trust the host. If the connection fails, systematically check the IP/hostname, username/password, firewall rules, and port forwarding. Also verify gateway settings if used. Restart the remote PC or examine its event viewer logs for RDP errors. Once you isolate the cause, retry from the Mac. If problems persist, test from a different device to determine whether the issue is local or remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.